increasing and decreasing functions. Let f be continuous on the closed interval a comma b and differentiable on the open interval a comma b. Then a. F is increasing in open interval a comma b if f dash of x is greater than 0 for every value of x belongs to a comma b. B. F is decreasing in open interval a comma b if f dash of x is lesser than 0 for each value of x belonging to a comma b. C. If f is constant function in the closed interval a comma b if f dash of x is equal to 0 for each value of x which belongs to a comma b. Also, f is strictly increasing if a comma b if f dash of x is greater than 0 for every value of x which belongs to a comma b, and f is supposed to be strictly decreasing in a comma b if f dash of x is lesser than 0 for each x belongs to a comma b. Third is a function will be increasing or decreasing in R if it is so in every interval of R. Now let us do a problem related to this. Prove that the function given by f of x is equal to cos x is a. strictly increasing in the interval 0 comma pi, b. strictly increasing in pi comma 2 pi. Find the intervals in which the function f given by f of x is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 6 is a strictly increasing function a and b strictly decreasing function. Now let us solve this. Given f of x is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 6. So therefore, on differentiating with respect to x, we get f dash of x is equal to 2x minus 4. Therefore, when we equate to find the intervals, we need to equate f dash of x to be to 0. So this clearly gives 2x minus 4 is equal to 2. So the point x is equal to 2. Therefore, f dash of x is equal to 0 gives x is equal to 2. Now the point x is equal to 2 divides a real line, the number line, into two disjoint intervals, namely minus infinity to 2 and 2 to infinity. So now we have found out the intervals, that is minus infinity to 2 and 2 to infinity. Now let us check for both the intervals. First let us take the interval minus infinity to 2. So minus infinity to 2, f dash of x, you can see it is now going to be less than 0. For all values of x, you can see in the interval minus infinity to 2, you can see it is less than 0. So the function f is strictly decreasing in this interval. Also, now let us look into the interval 2 comma infinity. You can see that it is all positive value. So f dash of x is greater than 0. So the function is strictly increasing in this interval 2 comma infinity. You can also note that the given function is continuous at 2, which is the point joining the two intervals. So therefore, we can conclude that the given function is decreasing in minus infinity comma 2 and increasing in 2 comma infinity.